What's up, everybody? We live. Another day above soil. We at it again. We're gonna make some more artwork today, and I hope y'all are ready. Just recently, I have started a Pandora's Box collection. This right here, on sale on my Etsy. Just recently made this beauty. Look at this. This is also on sale on Etsy. This could be yours. There's something about being within my apartment during the you-know-what, where there's very limited social stuff going on. Granted, I do go to the bowling alley here and there to interact with people, but other than that, I haven't really been socializing with many. I haven't gone to places like malls. I limit the amount of time I spend at a supermarket. I limit my time at places like restaurants. If anything, I take the food to go. And I find that during my time, during these lockouts and during these isolation periods, I use a lot of my creative energy. Today is definitely not going to be an exception. I have so many newspapers and I have a lot of other things that I need to get out of this apartment. So with all things being put into consideration, let's get into it. We're going to make some wreaths today. I hope you're ready because we're about to do another time lapse. All right, y'all. This is my first crack at making wreaths. Please comment below what y'all think. I'm open to your suggestions. I am asking y'all, like, what are some things that you like about this product? What are some of the things that you want changed? I could literally make this wreath in a gabillion and 5 ways. This is just my first crack at it. So I definitely want to make more of these because they could be used in many, many, many different occasions. People can put wreaths on their door for Christmas. People could put wreaths on their door for Easter. Maybe Valentine's Day is around the corner. They might put a wreath on their door, or maybe a balcony when it's a red or a white color. Maybe it's a good thing for Mother's Day. And of course, a lot of things within Catholic tradition, you would see an Advent wreath. Just saying, right here. So in the comments below, if y'all have any suggestions, or if you have any ideas on wreaths, or if you have some kind of idea in your mind that you want me to make out of recycled material, hit me up. I am more than willing to accept your feedback. Before we part ways and leave, I have a relatively important question to ask of you. If you went to sleep tonight and you didn't wake up the next day, would you truly be satisfied with the life that you've lived? If your answer is no, then it's most definitely time to do some soul searching and think about some of the changes that you need to make within your life. I say this because there's a lot of things within our society that discriminate. Death, however, does not discriminate. I want to thank y'all for watching this content. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm also going to include the links to my Etsy and Instagram pages within the description. I leave you all with much love, good spirits, and vibes. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. I'm out.